Hi, this is John Stoddard from Investor Acquisition TV, and I have my guest, Tim Arms. He is the CEO of FLES Group, sold under OTC FLES. Welcome back, Tim. How are you?
Doing well, thanks. Appreciate you having me.
Good. So you had some big news today. You had your quarterly report, and it looks like you did real well. So tell me a little bit about the top line sales and what you did from last quarter.
Okay. Well, our sales this last quarter, third quarter, was $2,334,000. And that was up in 2019, the same quarter, we were at $1,890,000. So that was about a $445,000 increase in sales from quarter to quarter. And I think it's just a better environment, getting our name out there more. It's just, and I think, the whole market itself, I think, is turning more toward online. The auto parts industry is probably one of the last places to really start turning toward the online purchasing.
That's great. Tell me a little bit about, I'm looking at the debt. You guys did something with the debt, you restructured it. What was going on here? What happened and why'd you do it?
Okay. Well, from first of the year, our goal was to get rid of as much of the convertible debt as we possibly could. And, that's just kills your stock, kills your shareholders. So we had at the time about $2.2 million in convertible debt, highly discounted convertible debt. And what we did, we worked out with an investor so that we canceled, we went out and got rid of all of that debt and then basically rolled it up into $1.2 million 2-year note at 12%. So it's a fixed interest rate. It's a payable. We'll pay $400,000 or so at the end of this year, and the remaining balance 2 years, August 2022.
And it's not convertible at all. It's not.
No, not convertible. Not convertible.
That's awesome, because I tell you what, that'll tank a stock quicker than anything.
Right.
Those toxic.
Right.
Yeah.
So we want to give our shareholders that when they invest, they're just not going to be diluted and anymore. So we've had gone through dilution in the past, but our goal was to get rid of all of that. So now we're looking for bigger things as we move forward.
I can tell you another thing that happens. Investors don't want to put money in the top of a bucket if the toxic debt lenders are actually drilling holes in the bottom.
Right.
They hate that stuff.
Yeah, no, it's a tough place to be in. Yeah, we got it cleaned up, and that was our goal. Get this, the balance sheet cleaned up, get rid of all the toxic debt, what it is, and, get some fixed debt in. And then so our shareholders can say, okay, we've got a solid company here. Now with the increase of sales, you can see that going up, soon to be the launch of Auto Parts for Less, which we think is going to be a huge business. And so we're real excited about the future and, think we're in a good place right now.
I'm looking for your P&L from a loss of $994,000 to $1.10 million. Is that right?
That's right. That's right.
That's beautiful. So I look at this now, and I myself, I bought a couple businesses, and the first thing you do is evaluation of business. You're in e-commerce and marketplace, and the multiple for that is 10.97. So if I was going to buy your company right now, I'd value it at about $12 million based upon that net income. But right now, you're valued at?
Right now, we're valued at about $2.4 million.
Nice arbitrage.
At $2 a share with just under 1.2 million shares outstanding. That gives us a multiple about 4.4 million. So yeah, we think even one-time sales, that if we're on track to do close to 11 million, we should have a valuation closer to that, especially with what we have rolling out in the first quarter of next year. I mean, autopartsforless.com, that's going to be a really a big business.
Beautiful. We'll talk about that in the next episode. But right now, you also launched your Reg A Tier 2, right?
Correct. We went qualified today, as a matter of fact. So our goal is to raise $15 million. And at this point, you can buy into the Reg A at $2 a share. And The nice thing about it, you don't have to hold it for any period. You can turn around, it's liquid if you want, anytime you want it. So, but it's at $2. So we feel, that's a great price for where we're at on the valuation.
Congratulations on our quarter. I think you've got a great arbitrage investing opportunity based upon your valuation. This sounds great. We hope to see you next time. Thanks for being here, Tim.
All right. Thanks for having me. Appreciate it.